Hi. Hey, Sheehan, what were you just talking about? Yeah, what else? You're so busy I can't keep up with you. What were you gonna tell me? What else? What, buddy? Hi, Sheehan. Hi, yes. What else? Did you have a good day? Yeah? What did we do today? Did you go for a walk? Yeah? Was it cold outside? What? What, buddy? What are you trying to get? What are you trying to do? Hey. Oh, I know. I know. You're too busy to talk to me. Yes. Yes. What? What's that face? What? Hi. Really? Really? Oh. What happened that made you make that face? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Do you want to go put your jammies on? Okay. Sounds good.